Hey everyone, welcome back to South Delhi Flows Property Vlogs. I'm your local luxury realtor Mohit Minocha, and today we'll be showing you a 250 square yard super luxury property in GK2 E block. For site visit or for any price queries, just call 9999004511. There are two options currently available for sale in this building. The option one is a basement and a ground floor, which gives about 3500 square feet of the living area apart from the balconies and has 3 good sized bedrooms. And the second option is a 2000 square feet top floor with terrace garden that gives 4 spacious bedrooms. Now let's start the video tour. Located in E block, GK2 has a wider road and a peaceful location. A very modern and pleasing elevation, and this location has greenery all around the house. A very beautifully planned stilt car parking that gives about 2 car parking per floor. This is the main landing area of the floor. Now let's see the floor from inside. The main door opens up into a very spacious drawing and dining. The living section is divided into 2 parts, a separate drawing and a separate dining. Very soothing interiors, all Italian marble throughout the house. The entire apartment is fully air conditioned. Beautifully done false ceiling in every room, and every room has a different style of false ceiling. This is the spacious front balcony, and Greater Kailash is often known for its greenery all around. A spacious and a wider foyer that runs throughout the house. This is the guest bathroom or powder room. This is the spacious first bedroom with a closet, an attached balcony and a bathroom attached to it. A double-size, fully modern and modular wardrobe. This is the attached bathroom with the first bedroom. Every bathroom is uniquely styled and has different stone and tile combinations. A good sized kitchen with inbuilt appliances. A dedicated space for puja room. And an extra wardrobe for storage space in the foyer. This is the second bedroom with a well-planned layout and a good sized wardrobe. Ample of natural light and ventilation through the balcony, which is attached in every room. Another luxury attached bathroom with Grohe and Vitra fittings. Ambient lighting, a stylish mirror, and a very functional and useful vanity. This is the third bedroom. All the bedroom sizes are quite decent and well planned. This bedroom also has a full wall-to-wall closet. Another wow bathroom with unique stone combinations. And a very well-planned shower cubicle. Now I have shown you the basic layout. One can buy it in two combinations. One can buy a ground floor along with basement or top floor with terrace garden. So let's see the terrace first, then we'll see the basement. A very spacious and exclusive terrace garden with granite flooring throughout the terrace. This is the extra room, or one can even say a multi-utility room or an extra bedroom if you buy a top floor with terrace. Along with an attached bathroom. A very well designed terrace garden with a lot of sitting spaces and a lot of planters and a small gazebo also. Now let's see the spacious and luxury basement that you get if you buy a ground floor and a basement combination. All Italian marble flooring, luxury false ceiling and air conditioning throughout the basement along with a pantry and a bathroom. It's a multi-use basement. One can use this for a recreational purpose or also for having a home office. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe South Delhi Floors for many more luxury properties all over South Delhi.